Hi, my name is Rupert Cooper, chef and owner of Philleigh Way Cookery School here in the heart of Cornwall. Today I'm going to show you some wonderful recipes using Rodda's Cornish clotted cream. Today I'm working with Rodda's to celebrate the Coronation. We're going to be making a wonderful creamy wild mushroom risotto, rumoured to be King Charles' favourite dish. And we're making it extra special with Rodda's clotted cream folded through at the end. To start off, let me run you through the ingredients. You're going to need shallot, celery, garlic, risotto rice, mushrooms, they can be any type you like, dry mushrooms, white wine, rosemary thyme, lemon, and of course Rodda's clotted cream. Like any classic risotto, we're going to start by finely dicing our shallot, garlic and celery and getting them into a pan to soften. So while those are softening, I'm going to prep my mushrooms. So I'm going to roughly chop the fresh ones, and I've also rehydrated the dry ones with some boiling water. And the beautiful thing is you can add some now and some later on. Once you've roughly chopped your mushrooms, they can go in the pan and sweat down for about 2 minutes. So I've used some thyme and some rosemary here, but of course you can use some bay. You could probably get away with some sage as well. So these, you don't need to worry about chopping them. We can just strip them straight off the stems into your risotto. Stir those through, and then your risotto can go in. Key thing now, to make sure your rice is almost dry before you add your wine in. Okay, so that needs to absorb all the mushroom, any moisture from the shallot and celery. I've crumbled in the stock cube. I can then add my wine and my boiling water. All the wine's now been cooked off, and I can add the dried mushrooms with their liquid as well and start to stir that in. Black pepper, nice and generous, and a pinch of salt. And then we can start to add our boiling water bit by bit. The more you work it, the silkier it will become. So once the risotto is finished, we're going to add the zest of a whole lemon, juice of half, gently fold in the Rodda's clotted cream, and finish with a grating of parmesan.